Warm greetings to everyone. Another amazing episode of our school podcast is here, where we bring inspiring stories, meaningful conversation, and real life journey to our listeners. I'm your host Bhumi of Grade 8, and I'm delighted to have you all with us today. Life is a journey full of unexpected turns. Sometimes you start at one place and discover your passion somewhere completely different. And today's episode is all about such an inspiring journey. Her story is not just about career, it's about creativity, courage, and following your passion. So without any further delay, let's welcome our guest, Miss Dimpi Agarwal. Hello ma'am.
Hi.
It's a pleasure having you with us today. How are you doing today?
I'm great. It's truly a pleasure to be here, Bhumi.
Okay, could you please share a bit about yourself and your profession to our wonderful audience?
Sure. I'm Dimpi. I'm a professional makeup artist. I have an Instagram handle by the name of Glamour by Chinky Dimpi with 19k followers. And before stepping into this beauty industry, I worked as an interior designer and I was specialized in making home theaters as well. And my journey has always been rooted into creativity and aesthetics.
Ma'am, coming back to your school as a guest, what's the first memory that flashed in your mind when you walked in today?
So there are many such memories that came in my mind. But firstly, I would like to tell you that I studied here till 5th class, but the school has played a big part in my life as all my siblings, my cousins studied here too. And my elder sister was the head girl of the school, so I used to take advantage of it. And so one memory that came in my mind is Johnson sir. He was one very strict principal I've ever seen in my life.
Okay. So, ma'am, you have gone from designing spaces to designing faces. Was that a plot twist or planned renovation? What's the story behind it?
So I worked as an interior designer for good 15 years. But after having 2 kids, I stopped taking projects for like good 2 years. And in those 2 years, my mind got skipped into makeup and fashion. And makeup and fashion has always been into my blood since I was a child. Yes.
Oh. Ma'am, there's a common belief that makeup can damage skin. How true is that?
It's a very common belief. Honestly, makeup itself doesn't harm your skin until and unless you're using right products, nice brands. अगर आप एक अच्छी brands use कर रहे हो, अच्छे products अपने skin type के according, तो आपकी स्किन कभी भी हार्म नहीं होगी. एंड ऑलवेज यूज क्लीन टूल्स, सैनिटाइज टूल्स एंड यस. और हाँ, रात को हमेशा मेकअप उतार के सो. नेवर स्लीप विद योर मेकअप ऑन. दैट्स अ बिंगो थिंग.
Thank you, ma'am, for revealing this truth. Okay, ma'am, for someone stuck between safe career and passion, what would you say?
I would say to start with stability, build your passion, and choose career which has financial security. And on the other side, work on your passion. This will give time to grow yourself.
This is very important.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, now let us come to your school side. Let's refresh your school memories.
All right.
Okay. Which kind of student you were? That front bencher, back bencher, or creative one?
What do you think?
Ma'am, I think you will be the creative one.
I was the creative one, but I was always a backbencher until and unless my teacher forced me to sit at the front bench.
Oh my god.
Yes.
As you are a makeup artist, could you please tell me one skincare mistake that you see almost everyone making?
Yes, I can say sunscreen. लोग लगाते नहीं है सनस्क्रीन. No matter what, if you're stepping out in sunlight or not, one should always apply sunscreen.
It's very important.
Yes.
Okay. Oh मैम, सनस्क्रीन तो मैं भी नहीं लगाती. Can I apply sunscreen also?
Of course. Markets में बहुत baby sunscreen available है. One should always wear sunscreen.
Okay.
And for you, it's very important. आप school आते हो रोज. You're mostly in sunlight.
Okay. So ma'am, now from today, I would be wearing sunscreen.
Yes.
Enough serious talks. Let's shift ourselves towards funny mode. Have you ever faced a makeup disaster on the set? How did you handle it?
By God's grace, no, not yet. हमारा मेकअप हमेशा हर क्लाइंट को भगवान की दुआ से सबको पसंद आया है. And more than their expectation, we have fulfilled their outcomes.
Okay, that means you are lucky enough to be a makeup artist.
Yes.
What's the weirdest request any client has made? Any funny incident you would like to elaborate on?
That's really interesting one. But one that really stands out is a client showed me a picture of a celebrity. Okay. उसने अपनी पिक्चर दिखाई, सेलिब्रिटी की पिक्चर दिखाई फोन पर and asked me to do exactly the same. But later I realized, oh my God, she's paying me for basic makeup and she's asking me for the celebrity. Bro, are you trying to make me fool or you're more smarter?
Ma'am, that's ridiculous. क्या सच में लोग ऐसा करते हैं? That's not done.
इससे भी ज्यादा करते हैं.
Now be honest. Do your friends and relatives expect free makeup from you? And is it hard to say no?
Of course. ये हर एक मेकअप आर्टिस्ट के साथ होता है.
Oh no!
Every relatives, every friends expect, free makeup. But instead of saying no, I say, oh, I'm busy. I don't have time.
That's a clever idea.
Yes.
Being a girl, I want to ask you a very important question. What's your golden rule for long-lasting makeup?
Oh, सब यही पूछना है. Okay. So, prepping your skin before makeup with good brands. अगर आप अच्छी ब्रांड से मेकअप को प्रेप करोगे अपनी स्किन टाइप के अकॉर्डिंग, तो वो आपको लॉन्ग लास्टिंग मेकअप देगा.
That's a good tip for me and audience too. Thanks for sharing this magic secret.
Anytime.
Do you also struggle making both the eyeliners look like twin sisters instead of looking like distant cousins?
Of course, even I face problem in making a wing liner look like a twin sister. But when you make normal liner उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. बट जब भी विंग लाइनर बनता है ना, स्टार्टिंग में तो बहुत ही प्रॉब्लम होती थी. बट नाउ आई एम यूज्ड टू इट.
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes, like my dance programs and all, I try like wearing eyeliner and एक उस दिशा में जाता है तो कहीं west, east, पता नहीं
It
कहाँ
happens.
चला
It
जाता है.
happens with everyone.
Ma'am, many parents prefer safe and stable career for their children rather than their passion. What would you like to say to those parents?
It's very understandable why parents lean towards the safe career as they want stability and security for their kids. Instead of saying no to their passion, rather help them understand the practical side. Okay, like you should make them understand about the income, growth, competition. Yeah, but one more thing, never shut all the doors. One door should always be open. Keep your passion alive.
It would be very important for the audience also.
Yes.
Just like me, I am surely saying that many girls love doing makeup. I have seen many girls that they are being interested and engaged in makeup at very young age, which is quite natural. What would you advise them?
I would advise them to focus on their good skincare rather than applying makeup. And skincare should be like cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and of course, sunscreen, not to be missed ever. And yeah, there are many herbal makeup products available in the market which young girls can use, like up cheek tint or lip tint, ये सब you can buy. And yes, और हाँ, सनस्क्रीन में भी tinted sunscreen आ गए हैं फाउंडेशंस की जगह, आप वो अप्लाई कर सकते हो.
Dear girls, I think you understood the assignment. Nostalgia time? What's one funny and unforgettable moment of your school life which you remember till now?
So every time when my teacher used to scold me or had complained, she asked me, जाओ अपनी बहन को बुला कर लाओ क्लास से.
Oh my god.
And I am always like okay. और मैं उसकी क्लास के बाहर जाके खड़ी होती थी and I'm like, बहन मैम बुला रही है. So that was very embarrassing and funny moment. उसके जितने भी classmates होते थे, they all used to make fun. आ गई तेरी बहन.
Ma'am, this happens with me also. My brother is like very naughty, and always his teacher calls me.
Okay.
In your opinion, what defines beauty today? Has it changed over time?
For me, beauty is personality, and personality comes with confidence and how one is carrying her or himself. So for me, beauty is of course personality, and yes, it has changed over the time. People earlier, it was a myth that only fair complexion women or men having fair complexion looks beautiful. No, it's your personality.
Wow, that's a nice thought. It means that everyone is beautiful in their own way.
Yes, absolutely.
And with that, we come to the end of today's episode. Today's conversation reminds us that life doesn't always follow a straight path, and it's perfectly fine to explore new interests, take new direction, and follow what truly inspires us. Every journey is unique, and success often comes by having the courage to try something new. I sincerely thank our listeners for being with us today. A big thank you to our strong and beautiful guest for giving wonderful tips and valuable insights. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.